Hi guys, from this channel you guys were going to learn Wonder Filmora in very easiest and simple way. Before that, let me give you a guidance. This software is completely free. When you are exporting, you will get watermark. For learning purpose, it's better to go with this software only. It can be used with low spec system or laptop also. It's going to be completely crazy. When you search as Wonderful Mora in Google or any other thing, you will get link here. By clicking here, you can see here get started for free. By clicking here, link will be downloaded and you can install it. It's completely very easy interface. Right now I'm using free version to give more clarity to my audience. Okay, by seeing this interface, don't get confused, nothing to worry. To start with that, let me guide you. 16 is to 9 is what you guys were watching right now, and 9 is to 16 is short form content. Now let's get started. By clicking here, we can open new project where I am going to get raw footages. Go to Google and search for Pixar Bay. This website is completely free, no need to worry. If you are uploading, my suggestion is to give attribution to this because you will get copyright strike also if you don't give attribution. Okay, where I'm going to get raw footages? Just click here, videos, search for beach. Here itself you can see, and where I'm going to get music, background music. Okay, let me guide you. You can see here music by changing that summer beach here itself. Okay, if you search as a beach, it will show up summer beach. By downloading this, you can edit in very easiest way. By seeing this, don't get confused. It's completely easy. I will guide you pin to pin how to import and cut, trim and add background music in this video itself. It's going to be completely easy. Where I need to import Ravi, don't worry, I am there to help you. Here you can see the import. By clicking here, you can select multiple photos which you want to import. Just click here and just open it. You are getting more than 7 footages. Then you learned how to import, right? Let's. Okay. By double clicking here, you can scroll faster, see how the footages are. This I able to know, Ravi. Then how to edit? There is one more section is this called as timeline. Here everything including text, b-roll, animation, everything done here only. Then how to import to timeline? It's very easy. If you want complete footage to be imported to the timeline, just click here and drag and drop. Just go with the 25 frames for learning purpose. Okay. Now full footage is has been imported. Now you can play. How I am playing very fast without clicking anywhere. You can play here by clicking here also. And one more thing, by clicking spacebar, it will work. It is showing here space. It will work there also. That is completely shortcut. I am making you as an advanced editor. Don't feel nervous. I will make it very simple and easy to understand. Okay. Let's import multiple footages. By holding control, you can select multiple footages. Okay. Just drag and drop in timeline. Nothing to do. Select 1920 by 1080 into 25 frames. Don't worry about those things. I will guide you. Complete those are little bit advanced kind of stuff. I will guide you. If you play, I would like to take it fast forward little bit. Don't feel bad about that. If you play the clips, it will be like this. Okay, okay. Now it is little bit big, which is have to move from here to here. It is getting a little bit difficult, right? There is one more thing. You can reduce the size of the clips also by clicking here. You can see here, right? You can increase, you can decrease the size of the clips. It sounds very interesting, right? When you are playing, it's going to be like this. If you want to fast forward play, press L. It's going to play in 2x, 4x. L. It's going to be very easy for you. Okay? Then if you press spacebar, it will gonna run like anything. Okay. Ravi, now I learned how to import to the timeline. You told that you are going to teach trim, cut. Don't worry, hold your horses. I will teach you. Cursor and keep it end of the clip. Then you can see the difference, right? Just drag towards left. That's it. You learn trim. Let me do one more clip. Just hold here and try to trim it. That's it. Now this video, let me play it. Now you can see the video in, I'm playing a little bit faster, don't feel bad about that. Okay, you can see the footages, right? Okay. Then I learned trim, how to cut the clip in between. There is a tool called split. You can call it as cut also. No need to worry. Let me zoom it for you. You will get some more clarity. You think you don't need these footages, right? Keep your timeline here. Okay. Then click here split. There is a two different clips. It's very easy, right? Okay. Then how to remove this clip? I don't want it. By clicking here, press backspace. That's it. It will automatically remove from there. And now let me do it for one more time. Keep your timeline nearby where you don't want forward clip and just split and press backspace. That's it. And how to cut before? Just simple, very easy. Keep your timeline where you don't want. Just split, click on that clip, just press backspace. That's it. Okay. Now I learned trim, cut, that you told that how to add background music. Here I don't have background music. Where is that? Let's import once again. It's going to be an interesting thing. Summer beach. Open. Here the background music. Let's click and drag and drop here. Okay. This is too lengthy, right? I don't want this much. Let's trim it. Take your cursor, mouse cursor, and place the, try to pull towards left. It's completely easy. Now you will be able to see the footages. This footage not looking good. Let's take sunrise towards front. Don't worry about this, I will guide you. Okay, just clip is here, hold and push towards left. That's it. It will automatically move. Okay, next let's bring island towards second. Okay, why it is moving? Let it be move. Don't worry about that. Now completely focus on storyboarding. How you can imagine. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. This is also looks good. One more highlight. Yeah. Now story has been created. Just click here. Pull towards left. Let's create one beautiful story from this clip. a person traveling in helicopter, and he was enjoying the view and reached to an island. There, little bit far away, he has his own private villa next to the sea. He got very curious and started to explore nearby islands. Then he reached to a fishing yard to eat fish, fresh fishes, and he captured the moment on top angle to show us a beautiful wave which can refresh our mind. After that, he reached to an private mountain which he has his own house there. He taken rest and started tucking once again in mountain areas. This is the simple story. What editors should think like, you are going to creating a movie. Every time when you are editing, it should give some takeaway to the viewers, and it should have some beautiful story. Then only audience will be get connected easily. My suggestion, think in the perspective of an audience, not an editor. It will take you to the next level. Okay, I learned how to edit, how to add music, how to cut, how to trim. Then how I am going to export. By seeing all this, I have to export, right? I want to export, I have to show it to my friends and my family members also. Here the export button. Okay. By clicking here, you can rename the title as you wish. You can save to different location. I have already selected. Okay. Then you have to select MP4 because there is a reason behind it. If you want to play those footages in any mobile, it should be in MP4. Then only it will allow to play in Android mobiles also. My suggestion is to go for MP4. An encoder, blindly go for H.264. It's going to be completely okay. No need to worry. You can select quality as high. Sometimes auto highlighter will be on. My suggestion, keep it off. Then click on export. It will pop out like this. I told you before itself. I am using free software to make you very easy to understand and implement with me. Just let's export with watermark only. My suggestion, if you don't practice every day for an half an hour, you guys were not going to able to edit not even single video. By seeing this, you are not going to learn anything. Try to implement within 1 week. You will be able to edit to intermediate level also. I am giving this knowledge what I have learned so far. Would you guys like to see the output? Let's click here. Let's see the output. I told you before itself, you are going to get watermark. Okay? Forward, don't feel bad about that. I want to save your precious time. That's why I'm doing this. Okay. I learned everything, Ravi. If you like this video, please try to share with your friends who would like to start their video editing journey in very simple and easy. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and comment below in which area I have to improve. I will definitely work on those areas. And If you like more stories, I will come up with more stories. It will be completely okay for me. And when you are starting as a video editor, my simple suggestion, don't think as an editor, think as an content creator. Then you can visualize in a different level. All the best for your journey. This is my first video on YouTube. Please support me and share with your friends. Thank you so much.